Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Daniadin bin Muhammad Faiz and my matric number is 01DDT23F1086, and today I will be presenting about our PPT2. So this is our group members, so here my name. So our system is about hotel management system. So there will be 5 pages. For the first one is login, admin, counter, cleaner, and lastly view room. So my part is login. So here is the coding. So for the first one is to connect GUI to the database. So this one import MySQL connector is to connect our GUI to the MySQL. And next one is to import the Tkinter because we use GUI. And the next one is import message box. So this part is to connect GUI to the database. So for the first one is MyDB, and for the host is localhost, user root, and the password will be 12345. So our database name is hotel database, and this is the for cursor, my cursor equal to mydb.cursor to be called. So for the next one is for the second root to connect to the database, and the host user and password will be the same and database name is still the same. So this is for the second one, my second cursor equal to second ddb.cursor. So for the next one is where our coding start. So this master equal to tk, and then for the geometry we use 800 times 500. So for the title we use login, and then our background will be sky blue. So this is for the function def login. Username 1 equal to username.get. So this part is to get the user input and put the value inside this our new declaration for username and password. So if the user enter username, it will be saved in username 1. So for the next one, this is to tell the database to select role from worker, where the worker name and worker password is equal to what user input. So this is the same, to use the username 1 and password 1. So this is use if. So if the user enter a wrong one or none, the message will tell unauthorized invalid credential, as role equal to result 0. If the user enter admin, so the message box will show about login successful, welcome admin. F is role equal to counter, the message will tell login successful, welcome counter. If role equal to cleaner, message will be sent login successful, welcome cleaner, and automatically will be enter their page. For this one is admin, counter, and cleaner page. So this is create login interface. So this is our interface. So we use label, master, and label for login for hotel management for the title. We use the black one, and the background color is sky blue. Font Arial size for 25, place x equal to 130, y equal to 50, and the next label is username, and the color will be black, the background color will be sky blue, font Arial size 17, place will be x equal to 160, y equal to 150. So for the next one is text box for entry master text variable, we use username, and will be black and inside will be white. So border width will be 5, font Arial and such will be 17. Place to be x equal to 310, y equal to 147. So the next one is label for password. Background color, the color will be black. The background color will be sky blue. Font Arial 17. Place x equal to 160, y equal to 120. So for the next one is text box for entry. Master text variable, we use password. FG black, and background will be white. Border width 5, font area 17, place x equal to 310 and y 207. And the next one is for the button. So for the text one will be enter, the color will be white and the background color is green. Height is 2, width is 10, command for that is login. For the width 5, place to be x 250 and y 270. So for the last button will be reset button, master text reset, and the color will be white, red, head white, head 2, width 10, and command for reset. PD 5, place and x equal to 450 and y equal to 270. So this is for login. If the user enter Firdaus password for Firdaus password, user enter, there will be text box that tell welcome admin. So this is for cleaner, admin, counter, tune. So for the reset button, this is to reset the box. So this is the coding. The username is here. Just be set, nothing. And for the password also. So this is for the next part. For the room type, customer name, role, worker password, and worker name. That's all for me. I will next send to our next presenter, which is Daus. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ahmad Firdaus, and today I'm going to cover about PBT2, about the administrator page. So, let's get into it. First of all, we have to log in our credential. Let's say my name, my username is Firdaus, and my password is also Firdaus password. Now, let's press enter, and as you can see, it reply back with login successful. Okay, admin. Okay, now as an admin, I have the power to view room and also to manage worker. Now let's see the view room first. With the view room, I am able to see all of the room that is available in the database. As you can see that the room 1 is not available, the room 2 and 3 is available. Right? And then let's see the manage worker. The manage worker, as you can see, I can put a new worker in, let's say 006 or let's say 007 as this. And the worker name is, let's say I want to put in Ismat. Ismat, and the worker password will be Ismat password. Now the worker, I will assign him to cleaning. So he is a cleaner. Right, that's great. As you can see, a new message will pop up which said that worker successfully created. Alright, this is good. So how can we test that the worker has successfully been created? First of all, we can check in the login system. So let's log in as Ismat. Ismat is my password and press enter. As you can see that the login is also successful. Right? Welcome cleaner. Okay, and now you open the cleaner page. Alright, now let's see how I created all of this using Tkinter, MySQL, and Python. Alright, now I'm going to explain how I did the main page and the worker management page. Alright, so here is the coding for the admin main page that we have just seen, which is this one right here and this one right here. Alright, so I use a top level so that I can create a new windows in the app. So I do not have to use only one window, I can use multiple windows. And then I put the geometry to 800 by 500, the title to any page, and the background to sky blue. Here also I put two labels, which is the welcome admin and the select which activities you want to do. And for the last one I have two buttons, which is view room and manage worker. View room button will open a view room page that we have just seen earlier, and the manage worker will open up a new page which is manage worker page that we also have just seen earlier. Okay, now let's move on to manage worker page. In the manage worker page, as you can see in the bottom here, it's like the normal page that you will do in using top level. All of that, the geometry, the title, the configuration, and the label, the entry, the button, all of them are the same. So I want to take your attention to button page create here. The command is create, which is right here. I have declared def create right here, which is contain SQL insert command. In the insert command right here, I can use all of this to insert a specific command using a variable that the user have just entered to create a specific worker like I just did earlier. Alright, now that's all for me. I will pass this to my friend Iqbal.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Iqbal bin Harun, matrix number 01DBT23F1051. So I'll explain about the counter page. So there's three parts. I'll show you the full coding. So over here you can see Fidaus is the admin, Adin is the cleaner, and Tune is the counter. So I'll explain about the cleaner page. So I will enter Tune. Okay, so this is the counter page. So the coding here, all of this is for the design for the counter page. You can see the size, the color, and also the window called counter page. There's label called worker counter, button, view room, and also register. Next, this is for the register customer function, and I will show you the GUI. As I said just now, I will enter Tune because Tune is the username for counter. The username is Tune password, enter, and it will pop up welcome counter. And I'll show you the registration button. Firstly, we can view room first. You can see the name for single room type is Ahmad, double Ismat, family is Soleh. And I will register for the new customer. So the user can input their name, room type, and also night stay. I'll show you the example. Name is Abu, room type single, and he will stay for 2 days. Click submit on it. View room. As you can see here, room type number 1 single. It already update to Abu, and the night stay is 2. Price is 200. So over here the coding will also count the total price for it. So it will times how many nights you stay times with the room type. And that's all from me for the counter page. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Tinjifa. Today I would like to present about a system for hotel room registration, and it contains admin page, counter page for registration, and cleaner page. And I will explain about the cleaner part. So first we go through is cleaner main page. The cleaner main page is function is to view all the room records, and we can click the view room button to see the all records. And if we click the update button, we can see the availability status of the room. And here is the coding, and this is for the geometry, and title is for the design, and here is the button and label. So you can see the inside. Later we will show the design and how we run the program. And for the view room page is function to display all the records. And the view room function here is the function of the view room button. So now I will show how to use the program that I made. So as we can see from the comment, so we has already entered for the Fidelity admin. So Adin is the cleaner, Tune is the counter. So if we want to go the cleaner part, I will type the ID name and the password for it for team. So after enter, it will go to the cleaner main page. So we can view the rooms, and for the rooms, number 1 single is not available, double is available, and family is available. So for example, the single room just now is the customer already checked out and we already cleaned the room, so we type 1 and the room number 1 and true, and we update, and then we can view the rooms now is available. If we choose the second number of the room and we say false and we update, and it will show the number 2 room is not available, is still in cleaning, or the customer is still in there. So here is that's all from me.